Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video of learning that, we are going to understand how to create private or factory constructor in Dart programming language. Remember that we are creating here file, I say 48, and I say here private or factory constructor.dart. Here I say main, then I need to create one class. So I say class student, here string name and course, simple one to understand. So now field is created. We need to create a private constructor. So I say private constructor. For that I say class name dot underscore, I say instance name, may be anything. Remember that this name may be anything. I am just giving an instance name, but you can give any name. Here say this dot name and this dot course. This is the private constructor. We can't use this constructor outside of the class. If I try to create here the object, you see student s equal to new, or I can remove new also, but I have a habit to use in Java dot this one, and I can pass here Dr. Vipin, and here I pass PhD for example, and I use this, and I take one function also. So I say void display, I say print name equal to name and course equal to course, like this. So this is inside a same library, remember that. And I say display, try to execute this. So I say dart run 48, this one, and you see it is running. It is a private one, remember this is private constructor, but it's still running because we know that private variable or private values are accessible within a same file. But if I will use different file, then it would not be accessible. I have explained this in my previous videos also, remember that. So this private is not private for a class, this private for the library. So outside the library, outside this file, it will become private. Now this constructor is using, so this is a constructor I am explaining you. Now I have to use factory constructor. So for factory constructor, we know that constructor does not return any value, but here you see I give the name factory. I'm just giving a name, any name you can give. Just to understand, I'm giving it factory. I say string name, then I say string course, then I say return value is student dot underscore instance. Here I pass name and course, remember. So I am returning this return, and we know that constructor does not return any value, but we are returning it, and I put here factory. Remember, error is gone. So this is the factory constructor. Factory constructor means the constructor will always return the instance of predefined object. So this is the constructor that we are using here to create instance of a class. So this is the factory constructor. When I put the keyword factory here, now this constructor will return the reference of the same class with the help of any constructor. Here I am using private constructor, but you can use any constructor that will return the value. So this is returning a value, the reference of the same class, remember that. So this is called factory constructor. Now I can use this also. So in place of instance, I say here factory constructor. Remember that this is named constructor but type of factory. And if I run this, you see same output we have, but internally it is using the private constructor to create the object of the same class. So this is the difference between private and factory constructor. So you can create private and factory both type of constructor in Dart programming language. This is the way to use it. I think now you understand. If you like it, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.